Hello, dear friends and dear viewer. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Shahid Mananjo. Welcome to my channel, Destiny Makers. Dear friends and dear viewer, how are you doing? I hope you are doing very well. Dear friends, in last video we had discussed Sikandar Lodi, titled Alexander Lodi, and in today's video we shall discuss Ibrahim Lodi, the son of Sikandar Lodi, and the last ruler of Sultanate period and the Lodi Dynasty. Dear friends and dear viewers, he ruled between Ibrahim Lodi ruled between 1517 to 1526. The ruling period of Ibrahim Lodi was not longer, it was shorter, but he faced many problems in his rule. Especially, he faced the rebellions, fights, and the disturbance, the many disturbance, administrative disturbance, and other things. Dear viewers, especially the rebellions of Afghans trapped him completely. The rebellions after the rebellions, he was disturbed. He was a brave and a good king, but was inexperienced in politics and was inexperienced ruler. That's why his behavior was strict. His behavior was strict, and that behavior made the unsatisfied and dissatisfaction among the nobles and other ministers and courtiers. So, for that purpose, he faced many fights and many rebellions, especially uh, Jalal Khan, his own brother, rebelled against him in Jaunpur. Even he defeated him, but he faced the rebellion of his brother against him. So his period was the full of fights and full of we can say the rebellions. He also fought against the uh, uh, Rana Sangha, the Rajput king, the king of Mewar. He fought fight against the Rajputs, and in final in uh, the final battle, the Battle of Panipat, the first Battle of Panipat, he was defeated and was killed by the Babur, the emperor, the first emperor and the founder of Mughal Empire, and the Sultanate period was ended. So, and final, in a few words, dear viewers and friends, the period of Ibrahim Lodi was shorter and was full of the rebellions and fights, and he was completely disturbed to rule over the Delhi Sultanate and was completely disturbed to secure the Delhi Sultanate. Dear friends, I think we had discussed many things and many key points about the lecture and about Ibrahim Lodi, the last king of Lodi Dynasty. For the next time and for the next video, thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.